ngizule the other day uyikhuluma state ujiyade mfethu ngominister ningayenza mistake ningifaka ngopresident ngiyayibuyisa same time ngabuya nathi ngiyayibuyisa
no akayazi into
what's your view
akayazi into ekhulumayo bro immediate sentencing ngiyayibuya anyway you can't listen to u18 man u18 ibar ngitshela u18 ibar mfethu mamela mfethu ngokutshela
hayi awuthi ham leyo sho kanjani
no lo muntu lo uyabamba uyayeka ucala khona manje mfethu bekagijima nabo Zuma here kill Zuma nini seka yipuppet ka Ramaphosa Ramaphosa ibar mfethu wena do you see uRamaphosa eSoweto kunabo boy bar mfethu kunabo Malgasi uRamaphosa bongamgayi inyuku uthamba uthengisinko ajump isikontiri bekazobuya ngaphethanga inyuku angaphethanga nesinko abamthathele neteki. You don't see mfethu kunabo Godfrey Mloyi mfethu
the president yethu
bawami Soweto beplan bekhona ihlebo kwazi ukusuka uye kahle hongo mfethu ubuye uye mfethu ngathi khawatheke mfethu ihlebo esifana nabo iwetnene mfethu uRamaphosa bekangeka libar lezi sigcwele la kweNC mfethu bezingeke ziyeniwe okay fine my brother let's do this I've been detained from when I was 13 I was detained many times I was detained like now mafahlakile. What is the most important thing? Awuthi asedladleni beshama heist. Benginokuya ngebhesuka. Ngibhesuka namanye amajita ngifosta naphi because amajita apha amanye bengiva nawo.
Yeah.
The most important thing when you are arrested, you need a phone.
Yeah.
Amajita nokhala ngarathi mfethu if you don't have a phone ngayikuba ne-stress yabo. Bakuba Facebook bayamokola izinto yabo. Wena if uyachizile abokhata abanifakela imbombozo ne TV nento ezibha let alone gang violence yeah gang violence it's bad
yeah
wena mawuzofuna ukuphuma uchisa laba abanye akusitafula la akusitafula la ulanda bo special assignment ufaka ama camera uchisa nabo khata abanifakela izinto bakhona abo khata abasileha mara kuno khata onifakela izinto mfethu ukuthi yazini bafethu na imbombozo nifunani bafethu nazi igada pemani nifakele wena because ufuna ukuphuma uyathepa we spy bro
yazi
we spy bro mina now that's why angimangali makabehave so mfethu uDonald Trump mfethu should they take uDonald Trump to uland u18 to Donald Trump oh because upolish ibhathu makafika la because upolish ibhathu mfethu ize ilide isiwengu bro wami ukuthi unenyuku ukuthi yabona isiwengu yabo mawuyibar noma inenyuku mfethu ukuthi nje yena ulide ngufana nabo Panyaza yabona yeah it's a clever geser maar moeg tendencies esamoeg amoeg samoeg samotomgeld ek kan sekzona ntrek maar replay amoeg you know I'm telling you you play okay it's esamoeg mapha esamoeg.bitcom I mean come on I ask you no out of okay how did he come out of jail?
Yeah, no.
He came out of jail because he sacrificed. Yeah, it's fine. I'm sure he'll defend himself. He'll say no other prisoners were raping others, let alone of that, gang killings and all that. But if, mina now, there's also a prison officer onokufika asifakele izinto abo sister omunye sinokushaya masifuna ukushaya iduzu wangimele ngibhako namajita ngithi yazini mfethu the prison officials are corrupt usetshele ikuply
it's even captured in one of his books ukuthi ngaphula ibhodla letamati sauce amajita so abhora imbobo bathi ayaphuma amemeza kathunga ukuthi akekho ophumayo
for fervat